What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QTS Dani and you guys are watching my channel Korai. Alright, so in this video we're gonna show you guys what is file input output. So when you guys see IO, it means it's input output. There are six tools you guys can use with the file IO. You guys can see method or function, whatever you guys call it. So you guys first to begin with, you guys with the R you guys can read, and with W you guys can write to the file. And keep in mind, when you guys put a W, it wipes out whatever you guys put in the file. Say whatever contents you guys in the file. So I've created this file here. This is sitting in my function, and this file sits in the same directory. And I'm going to show you guys how you guys, if you guys want to find the directory, how you guys get the path straight to get to the file. So if the file sits here and you guys, whatever contents you guys have in the file you want to read, as soon as you guys put a W, it wipes out. And I'm going to show you guys how it behaves. The W behaves because it's going to wipe out all the lines, whatever. So you guys be careful if you guys, and the append is the best way if you guys want to put append to the existing file. So if you guys put a W plus in front of R, so you guys going to see the effectively you guys open file for reading, writing. If you guys want to open the file in binary mode, you guys want to see in the binary mode, or you guys going to see with the text mode, because file by itself contains any sorts of file. There are CSV files, there are TXT file, there are like a py file, Python file, PHP file, any file, and there are object file, for example. And now so Python can address and have all the methods to deal with any all sorts of files. So it's very handy if you guys going in the office or going for interview, and your potential employers ask you about how you guys, if you guys know anything about the files, how to open the file and handle the files input output in Python. So I've created here, if you guys know, to save time, I've created my.txt is my file here, sitting here in my folder. And if you guys look in here, there is, but we're going to try it. We're going to write something to the file through this function here. So we're going to create a function. Please subscribe Korai. As always, our programming videos will continue. At Korai, we are committed to bring you the best programming videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos. You guys can name your function anything. You guys can name it, for example, Korai file, or any file, Korai file, for example. You guys can put a Michael file, Azad file, Yazdani file, as long as it suits you guys, as long as you guys happy. You can put your friend's name, whatever. So because our file is empty, and we're gonna try to write something on the file, so we're gonna go and first to begin with, we're gonna put my file, for example. We're gonna make a variable, and we're gonna say open. So open is effectively gonna open the file. Or before that, if you guys wanna find out your directory, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna show you guys. If you guys wanna find which directory you guys in, you guys can find out your directory. So in order for you guys to see which file you are in, you guys need to put an open import OS, because OS is operating system folder. So if you guys want to find out inside your here, I'm gonna put a define main. I'm gonna make another function, and I'm gonna call this function Korai file inside here, and I'm gonna make my special variable. If name, that's the name is a special variable, and double equal, and it's main. We're gonna execute that one, then we're gonna call main. Okay, so now I have a function here. My function is empty. Say for example, I'm gonna try to do it here. If not, then we're gonna go and do it separately outside the function. So for example, we can print what we're gonna print, and we're gonna print OS dot get current. So we put a get current working directory. That's it, easy as that. So now here we are asking effectively Python give us the our current directory, which is this file IO. And when we run, So you guys effectively see this is the path to our file. Say for example, if you guys have any file here, you guys need to put it here. You guys need to put it here. For example, you guys can list your directory here. Now I'm gonna show you how you guys gonna list the directory. Say for example, we put a path, our dir, for example, path, directory path. We guys gonna put the same one, os dot get current working directory here, and then you guys need to put a print, then os dot list directory, list dir, and you guys need to put a dir path, I'm gonna get rid of this one. So it's not a dir, it's gonna be dir path, dir directory path. So our directory is gonna show whatever here inside this files, whatever files you guys got. So because now we are telling Python to show us all the list of the directories in our directory path. You remember the directory path is this one, function modules here. This is our directory, so the Python is going to show us all the files here. So we're going to run our program, and you guys going to see that Python is going to show all the files here, and you guys going to see that this all generator, default, whatever files we have here, module, lambda, then there is a some hidden file, and if you guys going to see this is the your file that we are looking here currently. If you guys remember, we have done URL lib, we have done calendar, global, local variables, random pi, and args. This all our files, tkinter, whatever we've done in the past. So you guys remember these ones. Alright, so now putting this one aside, now we gonna put this one somewhere now, because now we don't want this ones. We're gonna copy this one and we're gonna move it in the comment section, because we don't want that one. We're gonna leave it here so we remember. Now we're gonna come here and we're gonna put a my file, and what's my file, which one you guys want to open? This one, my.txt. so you guys gonna put a my.txt. now Python knows to open your file, but if you guys try to open, you guys won't see anything, because Python at the background it opens the file, but Python doesn't know what to do with the file. It's up to you, up to us as a programmers to issue command. What you guys want to do? You guys want to write, or you guys want to read the file? What do you guys want to do? Because our file is empty, we're gonna want to write some lines. So we're gonna put a W, because we want to write some lines. Okay, so now we're gonna put a my file dot write, because effectively we are issuing command here. It says, look Python, open our file, but we want to write something on say in here. Now you guys gonna open another file, another issue, another command, my file, which you guys getting the file and dot write. Okay, so what do you want to write? What do you guys want to write? Say this is my first line of text. So that's what we want to write, and we're gonna see that's our whatever we wrote here. This is the first, this is the my first line of text. You guys gonna see that's here. How about if you want to write another one? You guys can try to put, say for example, next line. So we try to put another line. This is another line. We see if we can get this one done, and you guys going to see that this is another line. So in Python, C++, PHP, and Java, whatever language you guys look, this is the when you guys gonna do the backslash n, it means that's the next line. So if you guys want another one, you guys can put another one. Say for example, if you guys wanna put an n, this is third line. You guys gonna put some nice message, or you guys welcome to my channel, whatever you guys want to put here. So when you look at here, that's our third line, you guys, because effectively we are writing our words on in Python. Okay, so now this is our writing. Then how you guys want to close your file? Then effectively, when you guys open the file, then you guys gonna put a my file dot close. That's it. How easy is this? So my file open, and Python opens, and my file you're gonna guys want to write here, and you guys gonna see that the my file dot close. I'm not sure about then we try to put this one here, and we're gonna put it here like iteration. We see if it working. It works perfectly fine here. So instead of here, you guys now you guys want to change it. Welcome to my channel, Cryo Wood. Okay, so now we're gonna come here and say welcome. It wiped out the first line and put this one. So that's what that's what I was talking about. Say, how about if you guys want to append something? So for example, you guys want to append to the existing file, you guys want to put a, and now here if you guys look in here, appending. So we want to write appending something. Say for example, we're gonna remove all, and we're gonna put a, this is append line. Okay, so now we're gonna read this one, and you guys gonna see that this is append line, but make sure you guys put an n. So if you guys put an n here, it means that's gonna be the next line. Append did not wipe out anything. You guys gonna see that append did not wipe out. If you put an n, and if you try, it's going to be in the next line, this append line, and it comes to the back or the end of the line here. How cool is this? If you guys look in here, so with just a few functions, we have effectively opened Python, and we have put all our lines here. So far we have seen our working directory, what's our working directory, and we've seen our list directory, how to display our path, our file. So if you guys got difficulty with through this one, get working directory, you guys can get working directories like a Linux file. So we have seen the write, and we have seen append. How about we gonna see R, just to read? Whenever you guys do R, it means that you guys can write. We're gonna come here, and you guys gonna see we are not appending or writing anything, but just reading the file here. So when you guys read, you guys don't need to put this one the right method here. So how about if you guys want to come here, and now we know that how to read and write. So how about if you put a plus, as I said to you guys before, because here we have seen this one, we have seen this one, we have seen this one. Now we're going to put a plus, and now we're going to come here, and we're going to say this is append line, and instead of append line, we're going to go and put a seek. There is a function there, it's called seek, and it's what's a number seek. For example, we're going to put some sort of number in this line. So we put a, say for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Say we put a number 12, for example. On position number 12, we're gonna put a f my file dot write, and we put a new, for example. We're putting uppercase because we want to replace that one. Now the file is in reading writing mode, so you guys can seek 12, and you guys can write new, for example. So we're gonna go there, and number 12 we're gonna should see new. So now you guys gonna see the number 12. So it was 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and the position 12, you guys gonna see that is number new here. Say our position number 42, you guys gonna say you guys gonna put a, for example, Corayo, and I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna put a around space, and we're gonna see Corayo with the space. This is Corayo line, so that's the number 42. If you guys gonna count from all the way here, and you guys gonna count is number 42 here. So now effectively our files in reading writing mode. So we're gonna go through the list again. We have done file, we have done reading, writing, appending in the file, and we have opened our file for writing, and we have opened our file for reading, and now we have a file here which we're gonna read, write. Now we know how to do that and how to append our file. So in the next video I'm gonna show you guys how you guys gonna read and how you guys gonna display all the text here. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye. Please subscribe Wood. As always, our programming videos will continue. At Wood, we are committed to bring you the best programming videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with my new videos.